Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another video tour. I'm back at it again, located here in the southwest Las Vegas Valley, in the city of Las Vegas, Nevada. We are just west of the 15, less than 15 minutes from McCarran International, which is now called Harry Reid International. Now we did tours on this one, and this one. So if you haven't had a chance, go back and watch those video tours. So the name of this community is called Silverado Valley. Now, this is the Crest collection. The name of this model is the Glenbrook. Now, the Glenbrook, the asking price or the starting price on here is $405,990. Property features 1,966 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. Basically, what you see is what you get with this builder by Lennar. Now, let's take a look. You do have the beautiful pavers. I've explained in the last video of why a lot of builders are doing pavers, and there's a reason behind that. And if you want to know, go back and watch that video. Is the Elliott video, okay? Now let's come this way. Property does come with solar panels. This is a smart home. You have an 8-foot door. So what you're gonna do is, give me just a second here. Okay. As we enter the property, okay, the stink room is located right here off to the left-hand side. I know that you guys are probably laughing right about now, but here's the thing. We gotta make our video tours a little bit fun, right? Don't take things too serious, okay? I mean, some people are like, you're so unprofessional. Okay, you know what? Then I'm not the guy for you. Look, at the end of the day, 7 billion people on planet Earth. Not everybody's gonna like me. I just need most of you to like me. Now, this is actually a pretty nice floor plan for 1,900 square feet. Think about this. Pretty much nice and open. Love this. Wow, I don't even know where to start. Let's start off on this side. You do have the cover patio, 8-foot slide, 8 feet tall. These are vinyl, okay? See if I can go outside. Nope, locked up again. But man, these lot sizes are gonna be a little bit more than 5,500 square feet. Majority of the homes out here in Vegas, you have the frontage 40 by 100. That's kind of like standard. So that comes out to about 4,000 square feet, but also depending on where your setback is. When I say the setback, it's the furthest part of your home to the wall is considered a setback, right? You need to know all this, especially if you are going to build a pool. Make sure to get that plot map before you go under contract, so that way you're not tied in. Now, on this one, this series is going to be a little bit more affordable than the other series. Now, this is a 2-inch, right? 2-inch granite countertop. Oh, is that the guguy? Is that what you, for all my Filipinos out there? Guguy. Let me know if y'all know what I'm talking about. All right, let's see what we got here. Decent sized pantry. Oh, it actually comes underneath here. Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay. Did you guys hear that? Thought I heard something. I'm actually getting the chills right now. Thermostat here, beautiful backsplash. The only thing that's bad about this backsplash is that it's very porous and you're gonna get oil all in here. This is the wrong backsplash for this. Does it look nice? Yes, it does look nice. Okay. Oh, one thing that we gotta check with Lennar, do they do an exhaust out? Well, this is one thing y'all gotta take a look at. Yes, they definitely do that. Look at that, they exhaust that right on out. Now let's go upstairs. Oh, you know what? We didn't. Did we look at the bathroom? Yeah, we did. Let's go upstairs. Do you guys like the stairs behind the kitchen? As we come up, we do have a loft here. Decent sized loft. You guys feeling the peace? Peace and love? This reminds me of an Edwards model by Richmond American Homes. Look at this bathroom here. 12 by 24 on the tile, 6-inch stagger. 36 inches on the countertops again. Corian with a 4-inch backsplash. Moen fixtures. Your attic access is right up here. And you do have a door separates for the water closet, tub, shower, combo fiberglass. And your standard fixtures. Now this one is a little bit unique because the rooms, the way that the closet is ran is a little bit diagonal. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. But this is a pretty small room here. Nothing very special besides myself that's in the room. And guys, that was a joke, okay? You're supposed to be laughing. You gotta have some fun. So this is what I'm saying. So you have a closet that runs diagonal this way and a closet runs diagonal this way. I don't know. I feel like you lose a lot of room, but then also you don't want the home to be so boxy. You know what I mean? Now this is not going to be a long video. We have 6, 8 on the door. You see your transfer grill, 9-foot ceilings. Now on the transfer grill, this is what I hate because on the transfer grill, sometimes you can see on the side of the 2x4 and they never paint the 2x4. I would rather have them drywall and paint it because those are the attention to details that you just don't see, okay? But if you look at it one day because you're sitting there, you're like, what the hell? What the hell wrong with you? Ooh, 48 inches on the smart panel box here. I wish I could open it because I want to see exactly what they have inside here, what is incorporated, but it does say it's high-speed data transmission with the Cat 6 connected to the entire home. This is a gas. You do have the drain pan, which is great. Also, let me see if the primary is connected to here. So on this one, the primary for the air conditioning condensation line is not connected to here. Again, that's something that you're going to have to check with whoever you're building, or if you're buying a resale home, these are things that you have to take a look at. Make sure you hire the right home inspector. That is like one of the most important things that you can do when you buy a home with or without me. Now let's go take a look at the bathroom here. I feel like I'm on a roll today. You know, maybe it's just because, you know how like life is just so good and you just feel good. You're just doing the right things. And I know, I'm probably jaw-japping it, and a lot of you guys, or some of you guys, probably like, why don't you just shut up and just do the video tour? Well, if I'm just quiet, then it's not fun, right? Who wants to watch a boring video tour? Anybody could do a video tour. Here's your water closet. Wow, this is interesting. You do have some shelves here, but then what would you do? Just put your towels there? I guess so. But it's not going to look nice because now it's exposed. Here's your walk-in closet here. Definitely these homes need some lighting for sure. You do have a second thermostat here, so that tells me that it's probably a dual zone. Not bad. Not bad at all. Now let's talk about water quality control. You do have a right to do a water testing to the water out here too as well. Now, I haven't done it in my career, but if you guys want to do that and we're under contract, I would love to do the research and do that for you as well. You're definitely gonna have to check the zoning, especially around this location. This location is a little bit choppy. Like let's just say right next door, you have a warehouse right next door. So just make sure to do your zoning too as well. Just wanted to share that quick tip with you. You'll notice each and every video, I like to share little tips and bits. I don't like to tell you everything. There's so much to learn. Also, tomorrow, don't forget to tune in to the LV Home Expert Show. I think tomorrow's show is going to be based upon how to read a settlement statement or a CD. So I'm not too sure yet, but stay tuned to that. It's tomorrow, Wednesday at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, where we talk about real estate here in Las Vegas. Other than that, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.